All right, this is one I just have coming in here. It's not showing on our list anywhere, so I just wanted to put it out there for any of you Kenworth guys. This is a nice little truck. The last owner took really good care of this truck. It's a 2014 W900. It's got a 62-inch Aero cab. This one's a 295 wheelbase. The paint is in excellent condition. I think this will be a great little truck for somebody. So I'll give you my phone number here if you have questions about it. It's 970-518-5520. This is JW with Rush Truck Center, Southern Colorado. Give you a quick peek under the hood. You can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see the reflection off the paint, but all the gloss is there. It is tidy. Very good condition. So this is running an ISX Cummins. This one's rated currently at 450. It can be uprated to 475. This one's got 13-inch air cleaners on it. .24.5 tall rubber. And this one's got a medium depth tank. I just did some mild polishing on some of the aluminum and it was cleaning up real nice. As I said, this would be a great project truck or even just a daily driver work truck. Give you a nice smooth ride. This one's running, I don't know what Kenworth calls it, but it's the low leaf suspension, same as Peterbilt. 40,000 pound rears. It's got a 13.2 front. And then this one has the DSH 40 Danas in the rear, so it's got the heavy rears. Does have lockers. 370 is the ratio. The gentleman who owned this truck before really cared about his stuff, it seems. Drove it a couple miles to bring it over here. I'm not sure if 13-inch air cleaners is a popular thing for Kenworth, but the filters are cheaper than they would be on the bigger ones, like on the 15-inch for the Peterbilts. Well, the seats are in excellent condition. The scale weight on this truck was 18,567 out of the factory. $461,000 on the odometer. This is an 18-speed. It's a very nice little truck. Looks like it's got a phone mount up there. got rubber floors. If you guys are interested in this truck, give me a call. It's a 2014 W9. Again, my number is 970-518-5520. If you like these videos, click on the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you. We'll talk soon. Stay safe, everybody.